Why is there a Tesla here? Bro, there's an electric car.
Bro, do they not understand? Do they not understand? It's electric. They can't put petrol in it.
Look, you've got an electric car, mate.
That's how you can tell if it's a rental. Do they not actually understand that it's electric? They don't take petrol.
Mate, what's she honestly doing? Mate, I reckon that you should go. I reckon that you should go out and try help her. Go. Fair play, to be fair. Look, all these cars are waiting, yeah. Look, the car's electric. Look, it's an electric car.
There it is.
You didn't put petrol in it. You charge it. It's electric.
Sitting there telling her it's on the other side. And then she's going, oh yeah, like.
It's an electric car.
You are that girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
This is the first rest area in Pennsylvania. There was.
You're good.
What's going on?
Someone just got a badass.
Oh my God.
Mr. Loba Loba, Mr. Loba Loba, my lover, Mr. Loba Loba. She call me Mr. Bombastic, say me fantastic. Touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fun.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Hey. I'm not sure what it is, man. I'm not sure what it is, man.